In this video, you'll learn how to switch accounts on Taskrabbit. This guide will help you understand the process of logging out and logging back in with a different account, as well as how to toggle between clients and Tasker roles if they are under the same account. To start, navigate to the Taskrabbit website. Once the home page is fully loaded, look for your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This icon usually represents your account and may display your profile picture or initials. Next, click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear displaying several options related to your account settings. Among these options, locate and select to log out. This action will sign you out of your current account, allowing you to switch to another account. After logging out, you will be redirected to the Taskrabbit login page. Here, you need to enter the email address and password associated with the other account you wish to access. Make sure you have this information ready to ensure a smooth transition. Once you have entered the correct credentials, click the login button. The system will process your login request, and after a brief moment, you should be taken back to the Taskrabbit dashboard, this time logged in with the new account. If you have both a client and Tasker profile under the same account, switching between these roles is much simpler. Instead of logging out, you can toggle between the two roles directly. Look for an option in your account settings that allows you to switch roles. This feature saves time and eliminates the need to re-enter your login information. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.